I don't know what's going on, what they're... Holy...
CoCo leaves the Vero Beach City Marina and continues up the ICW, heading north. Through northern winds and ripping currents, CoCo eventually reaches the state line and crosses into Georgia. There, we look good. We loaded up on a bunch of groceries. Just left the Vero Beach City Marina. Taking the ICW all day today, no ocean route, because the inlet is way back there. So, the inlet out to the ocean.
He's on duty, which means after him, one of you are next.
I'm editing. I'm cleaning. Man, if you're cruising the ICW in about springtime, it's May right now. Anywhere in the ICW, really, down south, like Florida, Georgia, man, bugs get very bad. So I'm just warning all you people that are going into this. Watch out, because it gets gnarly. Petey, how was fighting off that bug apocalypse?
I don't know. It was like no bugs, and then I was sitting up on the front and I turn around and I just see a million, and they all just swarmed, I think, once the wind died. And then I just went on a killing spree.
Dad, how you doing out here?
Doing alright, man.
Going along slow.
Yeah.
Is the jib cooperating?
Boredom of the ICW. It's the wind is all over the place because we're kind of like winding through this river.
Yeah.
Hopefully it should open up out here, and then maybe we'll get some more consistent wind.
Nice.
And then the jib will be a little more effective.
Sweet. Our first time anchoring since the Bahamas to US crossing. So, first time anchoring in the US like for 6 months. Been a while. So yeah, we're gonna drop the hook, get some rest, wake up tomorrow morning, and we're gonna continue up north.
Don't jump up there.
Alright, pack her up.
CoCo going under the CoCo Bridge. It's like a legendary moment. This will only happen once. of nowhere starts pouring. I'm hoping for a big old rainbow. Holy.
You got your heart out.
Guys, I called it. There was going to be a big rainbow. After a long day on the ICW, finally dropped the hook. We're in Rock House Creek at Ponce Inlet. We're supposed to get a storm. So, this is supposedly the most protected anchorage, so. What's that noise? Freezing today, guys. It's like 59. I haven't felt this weather since. Alright, man, you guys ready? I can't even tell you.
Alright, what's the wind supposed to do today?
Oh man, it's supposed to be pretty hard from the north. Of course, that's the direction we're going. You can see it's super hard from the north. We left early this morning. We're just north of Ponce and we're going north towards like Daytona Beach. We left early to hopefully get some assistance from the tide, which we are getting. We're only going like 4 knots. The wind is ripping against us. So the tide and the wind are opposing each other, and you can see the surface of the water what that looks like. Yeah, but without this current, we would probably not even be a long, slow day, man. At least this morning. These are the moments. A bridge that is 62.5 in height. So we're going under this. Scary. It's okay, Mom. Just another day on the ICW.
This is aging me. I'm not even driving.
Will's famous oatmeal to warm up on cold days in Florida. I know it doesn't look like oatmeal right now, but it will start looking like oatmeal. Just give it a snap of my finger. Oh, even better than oatmeal, jalapeno slices. We're gonna get a quick refuel at the St. Augie Marina, coming up right now. Yeah, we're just gonna refuel and then keep on going down this ICW. We left our anchorage this morning. We've only been on the ICW for about an hour or two. Yeah, just cruising along. Oh, what are you doing, Mom?
Just doing laundry. The sailor's life.
Oh, sounds so gross too. We'll be going under the Bridge of Lions.
Right now we're going under the Bridge of Lions. It's 93 years old and it gets its name from 2 statues of lions at the entrance of it.
Welcome to Jacksonville, guys. That is where we are currently. Going to Free Dock.
Hopefully.
Yeah, we don't see any masts, so. The Free Dock looks pretty full. I mean, there's a little spot we could get in, but if we were going in, the sun would be blazing our eyes, and there is some current. So we're just gonna take the safe bet and anchor right over here at Sisters Creek. Doing a mahi sandwich with tomato, lettuce, and mayo. So basically a MLT.
Well, I already ate a mahi taco with sriracha and mayo.
That's
It's
what
the
he's doing,
best
and
way.
Ethan?
In
It's
my
like my
opinion,
favorite,
it's
man.
the best way.
How are we doing here?
We're getting there.
Motoring along on the ICW. We've got north winds today, obviously, and also for like probably the next week. So we're not going to be doing much sailing, but I kind of like the inside route, other than the bridges and the shoals and all those other fun parts. But otherwise, there's lots to look at, like this interesting Fernandina, I believe, paper factory. And it always smells really bad, so I don't know how something that smells that bad can be okay for the environment. I don't know what's going on, what they're... Holy crap, what was that? I think so.
I think it might have been a stingray.
Oh my god, that thing scared me. Lots to keep you on your toes out here.
What's up, guys? We right now are about to cross from Florida to Georgia in like a minute.
There is the line right there. Florida into Georgia. We are on the line right now. Just crossed the line. We are in Georgia, guys. Look at that. What a journey. Just got to get across Georgia now, and we're in South Carolina. And that's where we're stopping. So we're making good ground.